The new car's appearance continues the family-style design, but the front engine cover uses racing-style heat dissipation vents and two sharp-edged ribs that look very muscular and dynamic. At the same time, the new car's aerodynamic package is still exaggerated. It is equipped with unique components such as a high-gloss black front spoiler, AMG high-performance front spoiler, rear spoiler air outlet side trim strips and rear diffuser. The interior has also been slightly changed, but the car has been equipped with the F1E Performance logo and AMG carbon fiber interior panels in red and black. The seating configuration inside the car has been improved, and the special edition model is equipped with AMG performance seats with side support as standard. According to Mercedes-AMG's official statement, the new C63 is equipped with a hybrid system derived from F1 racing cars, codenamed M139, and a rear engine. The new car's power system has a total of 680 horsepower and a maximum torque of 1,020 Nm. The official acceleration from 0 to 100 is 3.4 seconds, and the top speed can reach 280 km per hour. According to the official parameters, the new car is equipped with a high-performance battery with a capacity of 6.1 kWh and a pure electric range of 12 km. Among them, the engine technology is very powerful, such as the use of F1's electric exhaust gas turbocharging technology, standard rear-wheel active steering system, high-efficiency battery cooling system, powerful four-wheel drive system, etc. Therefore, in terms of performance, it is the most powerful C63 to date. Are consumers willing to spend nearly 1.2 million yuan to buy a 2.0T performance car?